Close it, baby. Come on, close it. Or stay inside.
Alright, people, tell me how this lemon seed is going down and down, and then it goes up, and then it goes up again and down. Tell me.
You go with your mom. I'm smoking.
So how's that possible, people?
It's bad for you.
Check this out. That's freaking me out. I'm drunk, or the seed just like going up and down.
Let's go, John.
Look like you have an
Let's go. Then come over here.
You see this, people? You see this? You see this? See the seed? It's going way below.
You're drunk,
And it's going up and going up.
Larry.
Look at it, it's going up. Wow, look at it. It's like a fish. It's going up, get some air, and up, and then go down.
Where is it?
The seed.
Where is it?
Wait, you're blocking, wait. No, don't touch. Oh, I guess it's a corona make you go drunk.
Hi.
Yeah, you go high. See these people?
It tells that you need to drink.
See these people? I don't know. Is it me, or is this the seed? The seed of the lemon? Like there's something inside there. And the seed. Papa.
And let me see.
Wow.
Let me see.
Huh?
Where is he?
Yeah. So, give me some info, man. This is like amazing. I'm drunk, or
Amazing.
I never see a seed goes up and down like that in the corona when I put
it's
some.
going up, and it's going down.
Yeah, it's like a fish, huh? Yeah.
It's so cute.
It's so cute.
Let me see this and the fish.
What's it so cute?
And there's not a crab.
Oh, I just drink too much Corona and I'm seeing things. Look
That's a fish. That's a
at that. It's like a fish. It's just stay on the top and then it goes down. When are you serious? So people, tell me, give me a comments on this lemon seed, like a fish, like going up and down. Look, you see that? They go up, and after that, they get some air, and they go down. I don't know. I mean, I'm probably just drunk, but I never see a seed go like that.
I know.
Maybe the seed is alive.
I know, huh? No, ibang seed. They goes on the floor, on the floor, on the bottom of the bottle. But this one, tumataas, oh.
Patas pa baba.
Oh.
Fish.
Ano lang, butoy lang yan. Walang ano sa... Bakit yan gumaganyan? Sorry guys, so we're talking in our language, so let me know. So hit me up. Tell exactly what is going on with this season. Oh, I just fucked up and too much drinking. OMG, look at that. You see this? You see this, people? Look at fish, look at it.
Look at that fish.
Huh, that's fishy, huh?
Fishy that.
Yeah, fishy, huh?